Alright, so we got a new video here. This one's gonna be on the 2022 brand new Nissan Frontier. Brand new remodel on this car. We're gonna go through ins and outs of this car. Completely brand new remodel on this entire car, from the inside to the outside. Headlights, front bumper, back bumper. We got the new logo back here. It's gonna be written across the entire car. New Nissan logo too. This is the SV trim, like I said. So this is a SV crew cab, 4x2. It's a V6 engine, 3.8 liter V6. So this one has a lot of gadgets on it for being the middle trim level. This one has a convenience package on it, which is the spray and bed lighter, utility track, 120 volt outlet, intelligent key, heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated seats, LED, under rail lighting. We got the remote start engine on this car too, halogen fog lights, daytime running lights, leather shift knob, dual front climate control, and trailer hitch in the back. This one also has the technology package too. Look at that. So we look at that, we have the technology package with 360 safety shield on the car. We got lane departure, blind spot, rear cross traffic alert, rear sonar sensor, rear automatic braking, high beam assist, and intelligent cruise control. So those are all on the car. Show you it again. Sticker price $36,985 MSRP. Currently there's going to be a big markup on these cars. This one's $8,000. You can see all that. It's got Apple CarPlay, 8-inch touchscreen to screen. Check that out. So it looks really cool this time around. It said new front lit headlights, new Nissan logo, new bumper, and the Frontier written right here, which is kind of cool, my personal opinion. Let me check out the inside. We got the push lock right here on this car, intelligent key. Let me check out the inside. Nice beautiful Nissan logo right on the steering wheel. Push to start. Beautiful big infotainment system that really makes the car stand out a lot now from last year's model. Nice dash. We got Bluetooth here, AM, FM. You got your Wi-Fi connections you can put on this car. Your audio. You also got a camera on the car too. You can detect the lanes when you put it in reverse, for example. Right there. You get the correspond with the steering wheel. Different shift knob. You got heated seats, heated steering wheel down here. Dual climate control right over here. On here you have a couple options too. You got the tow mode of course. Play around with this on the dash. Tire pressure monitor, driver's assistance, lane departure, blind spot, emergency brake, driver attention, parking aids. Of course, this is on the technology package here. Those are kind of helpful in this year's model. Did a really good job trying to redesign this car. I know a lot of people have been waiting. This is what we've been waiting for. So now we're gonna take it on a test drive. Get a good action on the freeway, on the streets, see how it drives. Show you the back real quick. Now you can actually release the gas cap from the side. It's pretty handy. Got the camera on the back. Exactly what you expect out of a truck. Spray on bed liner, plenty of room. And you got a voltage right there, and you also got a light back here. So that's pretty handy, I think, in my opinion. I'm gonna go take it out for a test drive. Alright, so we're gonna start the test drive now. This infotainment system's beast in my opinion. Got all the parking sensors enabled right here. Picks up pretty good, exactly what you expect out of the truck. This thing is actually going to be really dope. Steering wheel feels nice. The new Nissan logo really sticks out to me, or anybody that likes the Nissan. You can put it in sport mode too, manual mode. It's like shifting gears yourself, that's how you probably want to drive it. So I'm gonna take it up on the freeway up here. Got plenty of torque, to be honest. So looking for your V6, this is definitely the way to go. And me Nissan Frontier. Now we get some street action on the car. Get a better view of how it drives on the street. We'll slowly make our way back. Got a big pocket down here. You can use the AC adapter too in here. Another AC adapter here. Phone spot for your phone right here. Put a couple phones, put anything else, a sandwich, whatever you need. We got those cool little bars right here. uphill, clearly no problem with this car. Picks up, like I said, really nicely. Every aspect. Nice part of town that we're driving through. Pull over here. I'll show you one last time. So that was the test drive. I'll go outside the car one last time. Show you a couple more things. The cool thing about this car that they actually changed the brakes on this car. So now it's got the disc brakes instead of traditional drum brakes that most of these SUV pickups have now. They have the disc brakes, so I'm sure you know what that means. It's kind of better when it's up against competition. So that's a cool little feature that I like to share with you guys on this car. Get in the nice sunlight. Open up the hood. The other cool thing, open up the hood. This thing now stays open. So instead of traditional stick, we have to put it up, hold it up. All you gotta do is pop it open. Got this nice pad here in case any fire breaks out. It also keeps the engine cool during the daytime when it's really hot. And there's that nice, beautiful engine. V6, 3.8 liter. Pretty convenient now that you can just pop this open. You don't have to put any stick up. Super convenient against its competitors which still have that option. So now we're gonna do the outro of this video. Drop any questions or comments in the comment box below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Really appreciate it if you can like it. You can comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these types of videos. I'm gonna do a video on the Pro 4X next, maybe a couple weeks or so before that video comes out, but I do have one that I can make a video on. So I want to share that with you too. If you're excited, subscribe for that. If you have any questions about that one or this model, simply just, like I said, drop it in the comment box. Other than that, like I said, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. If it showed you the cool features on this car. Everything from the inside to the outside is going to be completely remodeled on this car. So it's going to be dope. Hopefully you are excited for this car. Let me know that too. If you want to go buy one, let me know. Give me some suggestions. Like I said, anything you want to comment about this car, anything you want to see on this channel in terms of the car, the content, what comes out, just drop it in the comment section. Other than that, hopefully you enjoyed. Peace.